Learning how to be a trader is a great way to control your finances. I started 3 years ago. I became a part of Tackle Trading the community, and I fell in love with the whole trading community, with all our coaches that are out there. I love the coaches' show. It's where I got my first trade, so it was awesome.
As a trader, sometimes it is a solo sport. It takes you and a computer. But with Tackle Trading, now it's a team sport, right? Now you can actually go in and you're sharing trading ideas with your fellow traders.
What I tell somebody, if you have, let's say, $500 and you're looking at where to invest it in education. Through the Coaches Show, through the Cash Flow Club, through the community, you'll learn how to implement that trade and actually do it on an ongoing basis.
I was tired of not feeling in control of my own life. And that led me to make a decision. And the scariest part was actually to start. What I learned is that you don't have to reinvent the wheel. We have a fantastic community behind us, and it's gonna sound like a cliche, but you don't have to do this on your own, okay?
It's scary at first. You're putting real money into trading. But you know what? I'd rather do that with a bunch of people that have already done that and know what they're doing. And that's how you get over your fears, is to get involved with people who've already done what you want to do.
Honestly, it's become a part of my life now. I've grown so much. For the last 2 years, it's unbelievable as a trader, and I'm still learning so much every day. Once you get started, it becomes a part of, who you are.